It's just must be so confusing. Market just going back and forth with just so much volatility. Well, today, guys, I want to walk you through our week, and I'm going to share with you a style of trading that just works. I'm on here every day. I try to be as transparent with you guys as possible. This is a style of trading that just works. And yesterday, we just had one of our bigger trades ever at Masters in Trading and an earnings trade. Hey, guys, who made over 300% in FSLY? Who made over 300% in our earnings trade in FSLY that we covered on yesterday? Because FSLY, this stock went from $8.50, $9, up 80% yesterday, up another 10% right now. This is how we trade earnings. We must have had 30 people. Guys, let me get some yeses. Did you make over 300% trading FSLY? Many people made over 400%, over 500%. This is a trade that works. So that's what I'm going to walk you through today, guys. No guessing, no speculation, just straight up data. And you guys can see all the yeses coming in for FSLY right here. That's just everybody that's live, not including the Discord. So here we go. Yesterday's earning trade, 30 plus members locked in 500 plus percentage. The winner, we had an 832% winner. Livy 470, Susan, just a freaking awesome trade, guys. Everyone sharing where they got out. We got in at $1.50, guys. These are real trades. Masters in Trading has 4 different programs. Okay, we have our earnings program, we have our divergence program, unusual option activity, and all access. This is all the programs right here. Earnings, 65% win rate, 67%, advanced notice 55, all access 65. These are all closed trades. This is my audited track record. These are all 100% closed trades. These are the 4 portfolios that I run. Earnings, divergence, advanced notice, all access. We trade at a high percentage, and our average gain per trade is just freaking awesome. The full picture, we've had 232 trades across all portfolios, 64% win rate, and it's all just automated. I guess it's 234K deployed, 51 gains, average hold times, 4 out of 4 programs profitable. This is working, and it's just so exciting. This is just from yesterday, your risk management strategy to allow me to sleep soundly at night. Learning and growing my confidence in managing trades has been huge. I locked in 375%. And then yesterday, we had 6 people upgrade to our $5,000 all access. And they upgraded because of their success that they've been having. So, tiring week, guys. Very difficult week, but we absolutely crushed it. What we do is you are never alone. The easiest way to join our community is through the Investorplace Challenge. I'm going to go over the market. Yesterday, we went over 5 charts or 4 charts. I'm going to go over those right now. But if you have not tried the challenge, get your buns in there. This weekend, investorplace.com/challenge 2026. Learn options, be the best investor you can be, and remember, you are never alone if you're in our Discord community. Let's get to the charts, guys. This is 2's 5s. This is 2's 5s falling. We need 2's 5s to stabilize in order for the market to stabilize. It's very, very, very important. This is the front end of the yield curve, getting absolutely smoked. Here's something that's really interesting. Poly market interest rates. I want our interest rates. There we go. Fed decision on rates. There you go. This is the problem right now. How many Fed rate cuts in 2026? It's a coin flip. Nobody has any clue. Nobody trusts the market. That's why that there's so much uncertainty. Poly market guys, you guys can follow the likelihood or the probability of certain rates until the market gets some confidence about the rate structure. We're going to still go here because nobody knows what's going on. Nobody trusts the administration, really. So we look at some of the other charts. VVIX. VVIX, you need this thing to get crushed for the market to rally. VVIX. Trying to come down, not enough. It's got to continue to come down for those QQQs to have some follow through. Yen. Yen made a tremendously big move. When the yen rallies, the US markets fall. The yen has stabilized. We need the yen to fall for follow through on that QQQ, on that NASDAQ. So watch your NAS closely. Watch your NASDAQ closely. Here's what it looks like. A little bit under the market, but watch your risk parameters, guys. That is what will protect you. And play around with Polymarket. It's giving you really, really good information. And when you see uncertainty, uncertainty means volatility. Volatility is risk. Volatility, we're probably going down. If you want the market to rally today into the weekend, VVIX. That should be your line in the sand. 105, say. Get it under 105, and then you can enjoy the upside of the rally. If it stays above 105, I'm not sure we're rallying so much. Okay? Hope it helped, guys. I want you to try the challenge. I want you to see how we do things differently on the inside. Thanks so much for watching. What I always do is I cut off for our all access. I open up our Discord and I go over our live portfolio and I help in any way we possibly can. Eddie, my pleasure. Great trades on FSLY, all access. You guys sit tight. We'll be right back. Hey guys, what's up? I'm just gonna wait to get some confirmation that you guys can see me